Jamaica still live on me mind. The creator still live on me mind. Pantomime still live on me mind. The grill beaches and the sunshine.
Hey Jamaica, my name is Romane, a finalist in the JCDC Festival Song Competition. Title of my song, Dep on My Mind. Vote for me please. Reason being, my song embodies and captures the whole feel of what festival is all about.
On my mind, the creator still live on my mind. Pantomime still live on my mind. The grill beaches and the sunshine. So you me should have reach you a long time. But no worry cause everything fine. There has never been a time when you no cross country man mind. But tell me us please protect the reef like your son and your niece. Cause me love Esco Beach, Prime Festival Beach. Some fest me have to reach Jamaica sea breeze. Bongo house room, get